Hello and welcome. You are ready to lead your business into sustainable and innovative future? My name is Raymond Wilke and I specialize in online workshops that combine environmental responsibility with practical, profitable solutions. Our workshops focus on sustainability training. Learn how to integrate environmental strategies into your business model without compromising efficiency or profitability. Innovative problem solving. Discover unique approaches to overcoming challenges and unlocking new opportunities for your company. Why choose my workshops? Neutral and inclusive. Our sessions are designed to remain neutral, independent of political, economic, or other systems, ensuring a balanced and unbiased approach. Tailored to your needs. Every workshop is customized to fit our industry and your team. Accessibility online. Participate from everywhere in the world. No travel required. Actionable solutions. Participants leave with clear, practical steps they can implement immediately. Take the first step forward towards a greener, smarter future for your business. Contact me today to learn more about how my workshop can empower your team and create lasting value. Together, we can make a difference independently and globally.